This conversation is over because I've officially run out of clever things to call a guy.
You wake up one day and everything changes. You cross the line and there's no turning back. You're caught between the love and the danger. It's hard to leave a heart so open up to that. You wish every time a star falls from the sky. You wish that he'd feel the way you feel inside. You hope and you pray, keep it all locked away as you see yourself lost in his kiss. You wish you think you know just how to read him, and then he throws you right off track.
Cameron,
All you
I
know
love you.
is how